Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Over the last year, we've been posting periodic updates on the construction of the new PQ Lane overpass on I-10 in Baton Rouge. Today we're going to drive PQ Lane so we can see the progress from the actual overpass. PQ Lane between Highland Road and Perkins Road has always been a country lane with large lots and no commercial development. The current path of PQ between Highland and Airline Highway wasn't always a continuous road. Prior to around 2011, there was a jog on the road at Perkins that necessitated a right turn onto Perkins and then a left back onto PQ. This has since been updated with a new section of road that continues through without making any turns. Here we cross I-10 and we see the first of the two new overpasses. From what we can gather, the original overpass will be removed, another will be constructed, and eventually an interchange with I-10 will be built here. As we approach Airline Highway, we see another major reconfiguration of the road. Old PQ Lane is to the left, and the section here that connects to Airline ahead was built around 2013. Old PQ predates Airline Highway and continued to Jefferson Highway. When Airline was built to carry US Highways 61 and 65, a jog was created in the road to cross Airline, as can be seen in the map here. We'll conclude today's video at Airline Highway. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.